Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Nasdaq Composite Index. So far, so good. Since the update we did back here at the bottom in the cloud, there was two trades there. This first rebound trade, our patience were a little bit tested when it sliced through the cloud again, and then managed to rebound from these bottom end cloud chart support levels. So fantastic rebound from that level there. That's how you kind of trade the clouds. You look for these support rebounds. And then went along in and around these levels. It's a slow grind higher, sliced through the top end cloud chart resistance. Note that the top end cloud chart resistance became support. Then the target was the old highs, broke through the old highs, pulled back a little bit, rebounded from this turning line of the cloud. And the turning line is now an area where you can add to positions, but it's a little bit extended now from the top end of the cloud, both from the turning line. So we do need to see some form of a consolidation of this move in the market. Front end of the cloud is a key support for this quarter. So watch out, any weakness in the market, we could see these front end cloud chart levels retested. Turning to the weekly, we can see here how extended we are from the top end of the cloud. So there is a significant amount of risk in this market going long at these elevated levels. So the market is ripe for a pullback at some point soon. Turning to the monthly, you can see how excessive this rally is, how extended we are from the top end of the cloud. So the market is frightfully expensive, both on a valuations basis as well as the price actions very extended from the cloud. So we can expect a significant correction coming at some point in the near future. As the liquidity when the liquidity starts to dry up, we can see a correction. But there's total euphoria in the market. And I think we're going to go through a capitulation phase similar to what we've had here in the 99-2000 move, where the market's still going to go higher, have a huge move, and then the correction will ensue. So it's going to be interesting to see how this is going to pan out. But price action above the cloud from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective is still bullish. However, we are concerned that we're very extended from the top end of the cloud. Turning to the 4-hour chart, which is a bit more interesting from a shorter term trading perspective, we had these trades from here. Rebound as well as the cloud cross, another rebound trade there. So this 13.6, a nice, lovely trade there, worked out very well. And now we can see we're very extended from the cloud. Ideally, you'd like to see the first pullback back to the turning line, and you ideally want to see the standard line here catch up. So on the 4-hour chart, the downside risk of these levels, 14,330. And the front in the cloud, yeah, this level there. So watch out for these levels. We're not out the woods yet, but the market is a little bit extended now. It's quite far away from the top end of the cloud, so there is a fair amount of risk in this market. So just be aware, any kind of sell-off will trigger the correction in the market. But so far, so good. Price action above all time frames above the cloud, and that remains bullish with risk. Shorter term swing trade risk to the downside to test old breakouts as well as the front end of the cloud support zone. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.